up, boys? We in the VR6 GTI today, Mark 4. We're gonna do a little POV cruise, super short, nothing too aggressive. It's a daily driver, it's my buddy's car, but we're just gonna get a little POV action on a slight back road, but like I said, nothing too crazy. It's a daily driver. He came from 5 hours away, so he's got to make it back home. We're not gonna push the car too hard, but we're definitely gonna get a little fun cruise for you guys.
Cool.
Man, bro. Daily driver beast.
Yes, sir.
So you said what kind of exhaust setup it's on?
Tectonics pipe to a Magnaflow muffler, 2.5 instead of the stock 2 1/4.
Ooh, that's nice. And the tune is by who?
Euro Customs.
Euro Customs.
Yes,
That's so cool. This is 04?
04.
04.
VR6, 24 valve.
I know you said about the lit, bro, but like I actually like it.
If it's at night and you're 20 feet away, it looks good.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
we're shooting at nighttime, guys, for you guys, you know, to get the better footy. It's like that.
yeah, it's like a Rep 20th edition. The fitment's not good.
Yeah, I got you.
Held on by zip ties right now.
Are you dead ass?
Yeah.
Zip ties for the win.
Zip ties.
Baby.
None of the clips lined up. You can see on the side. That doesn't line up.
Okay.
I think it's even worse on this side.
Did it come paint matched?
No, I painted that.
It?
Yeah, I
you
painted
did a good
it.
job, bro.
It looks all right.
No, you did a good job, did I?
20 mil spacers on the back, 10 on the front. You know, just a little flush.
Dude, I can see that now. Here, give them this angle right here so they can see it, like right there. Yeah, that's not bad. Well, enough talking, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go for a little cruise.
Other than that, pretty much stock. $126,000 miles.
Ripper, baby. Dude, that's more than mine.
Yeah, it's a lot.
My motor blew at 122.
Yeah, although everything's done recently. Clutch, flywheel, timing chains.
Oh, so you've had really good preventative maintenance.
It's good to go.
Yeah.
And when I got it, it was sitting for years, so everything else is brand new too.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. That's
suspension. Oh yeah, it's lowered on Coney struts with new speed springs.
Ooh.
Feels okay.
Yeah, bro. This junk's clean though. I'm not gonna lie. I like it a lot. Like when I was looking at it when you're backing into the driveway, bro, it's like the size of the car, like the kind of dimensions are like perfect. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like naturally, just like any other car, GTIs have gotten like bigger and bigger. I feel like this is like a perfect balance, bro.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
Like how the minis look so nice.
Yes, exactly.
Like you got spacers on something like that or this.
Mint, bro, mint. I'll get a little exterior guy.
Like straight.
Yeah,
right?
yep, straight ahead.
And then it's good to go.
It's good to go, bro. Have fun.
All right. Nothing crazy. I just got a ticket.
This one's really tight. So the speeds are lower, but it's still fun. It's really tight road. How's the gearbox look? Is it better than other cars you've driven, you think? Or?
It feels kind of sloppy to me. I don't
feel like a Subaru?
Yeah. Other people drive it though, and they're like, "Oh, that feels really good."
Yeah.
I disagree.
He said, "I disagree."
Get what you pay for.
I mean, I feel you. People have driven my car and been like, "Oh, that has great shifter feel," and then I'm like, it's kind of mid. I feel like that's just part of like you driving your car for a while.
Yeah.
You know, like I don't know.
I was sitting up and forward there. That angle might be trash.
That's all good. You were ripping. I was like focused on the driving. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's more about the driving than anything. So
I wish I knew these roads better. I've been on them, but it's been at
It's a
least
while,
2 years, and I didn't drive
Easily.
it. So.
like a switch.
Dude, this thing is so mint, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful sunset behind us. Dude. This is a unique car too, I'm not gonna lie, you know what I mean? And it seemed like it was a lot of fun on the back road. Like it just has that good RPM band and you kind of keep it there.
Yeah.
And then it can just rip.
Being NA, it's just all right there.
Yeah.
All the time.
Fucking right, bro.
Love this thing.
Hell yeah.
Sunroof popped a little bit.
Oh, bro, got to.
Stubby antenna. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these stock, but they come with an antenna that's about 2 feet
bro,
long.
they ruined it.
Crazy.
Well, shit, let's get after it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna try not to adjust your seating position at all.
No, you can.
No, I'm big with that, bro. Like if I drive other people's cars and shit, I just leave it. Like
I already adjusted it for the video.
I'm not gonna lie, I like it a lot. What's the torque on this thing?
It should be around 200.
Ah, it's gotta be more than that.
Hopefully a little more after the tune. 215.
Ah, dude. How much does this thing weigh?
Like 23.
It weighs like 23.
Something like that.
Wait, it weighs 23?
I think so.
That's light as
no,
shit.
I mean 33.
Okay. I was about to say.
34 even.
I was about to say that's light as shit,
Yeah,
bro.
my bad.
Yeah. Holy shit, dude! Look at that fucking sunset up there. It's crazy. Oh, dude, it feels easy. This gearbox does feel easy. I'm not gonna lie.
That's what they say.
That's what they say, but I think they were right.
Maybe I'm just bad at throwing a stick.
Maybe. Not joking. Dude, and the torque, you can just leave. I would have gone for second in most cars, dude. But the torque right there, I just go for third.
Yeah, no, I'm usually in a gear or two higher than most people would be.
Yeah, because it has good torque. Now I see why you was trying to make it up that hill in my car and fucking like fourth.
Yeah, I'm in like 6.
Yeah, like no way, bro. Not in my car.
Yeah.
But I mean, like turbo cars, it is more important to have it in the correct rev band.
Yeah.
You'll definitely do some work on your turbo.
Yeah, my buddy has a Mark 4 TDI, so same body as this, but TDI.
Avery, right?
Yeah, Avery. It throws me off every time. With the turbo.
Oh yeah, I believe it. How's it feel for the passenger?
It feels good. It feels faster. I also just never riding this, so it feels cool.
Oh yeah, this thing's a dream. This thing is a dream.
Feel free to take it to the red.
Give her some beans.
Give her the beans. That's a tough road.
This is the straightaway right here.
Yeah.
I'll just flip around.
You can launch it if you want to. It's just not going to go anywhere.
How do I launch it?
We're just going to spin. Just
Flat to the floor?
Clutch in. You don't even have to go flat. It'll do it at 36.
Will it do this a little bit?
Yeah, it just starts to swim around a little bit more, which is it's just weird because it feels so stiff otherwise. Like
yeah,
I
got you, dude. The Celica has something weird like that where it's like really squishy until you load it up on a turn and then it's like fucking on rails.
Yeah.
No, but like this thing really feels great. And like it does feel, I do remember driving it that one time. It was brief, but like it does feel like a little bit more alive.
Yeah.
And like I can feel what you're saying about like the drivability. I mean, I don't drive the car every day, but just from driving it right now, it feels like it gets up really well, and it would be, you know, fun to drive every day.
I think the tune definitely focused on top end power too.
Yeah.
So yeah, you really got to get on it to maybe feel it.
Corners very well too. I'll say that.
It's pretty clean.
The corners very well, and it's direct steering. The steering input is very direct, and you turn in and go. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It actually feels a little bit worse now too. Because
Really?
of the spacers. Something it feels swimmy too.
Huh. Hey, bro, you gotta look good too, though.
Oh,
Fuck
yeah,
it.
I was gonna say it's half the battle.
We're good.
Yep.
We'll just see what it's like daily driving, kind of right now. Let's see. What are you doing on like the highway? How many RPMs are you doing at like 75?
So probably right around 3.
Okay, so it's got decently long gears.
Yeah.
A little short on the final gear though.
Definitely. It's burning gas. for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. I mean, those hot hatches are kind of always like that though. Like
Yeah.
my Mini at 75 would be doing like 3,500 RPM.
Yeah, this car doesn't really feel that practical. I mean, it's really not. It's
Yeah.
so small. It doesn't feel like it's meant to be on the highway.
Yeah, I feel you.
It's a back road ripper, and that's
It really does belong on a back road, bro. That thing fell at home.
like it's not fast.
What's wrong? Why do you keep fucking
It's
high
just
beaming?
quick. Yeah, one of